There we go.
Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Brian.
And welcome to our channel, Screaming Pugs. So today we are making KitKat Lasagna.
You have no idea what KitKat Lasagna is, but I know what lasagna is at least, so...
Yeah, there's no noodles in this, so yeah.
I would hope so.
Yeah, that would have been disgusting. I've been telling people about like, we're gonna try making KitKat Lasagna and everyone's like, that sounds disgusting.
Well, chocolate and everything is fine, so...
Yeah, pretty
how
much.
How bad can it be?
But it's pretty much a dessert, obviously. There's, like I said, no pasta in it, so it's just like gonna be chocolate and more chocolate and cream and more chocolate.
That's what I want to hear.
Yes. So yeah, let's get to it. So obviously, firstly, you're gonna need some Kit Kats. We've got these giant slabs, so I hope they're gonna be enough. Then you need some cream that you're gonna have to whip, and you're gonna have to split it in 2 sections, so this is perfect actually. Then you're gonna need some cream cheese, some powdered or icing sugar, whatever you call it. We're gonna need some instant chocolate pudding, and then you're gonna obviously need some milk to put in the instant chocolate pudding.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with our Kit Kat. I'm gonna lay a layer of fingers down.
The amount really depends on what bowl you're using or pan you're using, but this is pretty much a standard bread size pan we're using here.
I think this is gonna be perfect for what we need it for. Oops.
Can't drop the chocolate.
I feel I taste one just to make sure it's still fine.
Yeah, we bought this like a couple of days ago, so you know, chocolate usually expires within 2 days.
Can't be too sure. I'm always willing to take a chance. Okay, there's our base.
Okay, there's room for like one more, and I'm a believer in that you can never have too much chocolate, so we're gonna put another one in.
She wants to open it so she can eat it. That's the only reason.
I'm gonna eat it anyways. One more. The cool thing about this is when you slice it, it's gonna be, okay, I'm destroying it. When you slice it, you're pretty much just gonna have to cut in between these. So it makes a perfect base for to hold everything together.
Okay, so now I'm gonna add our cream. For the guys that normally watch our videos, this is my favorite part. I enjoy mixing it.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. Like when I cook dinner, I usually call him for things like this, and he enjoys it.
I mix and cut, that's what I do.
Yeah, and he mixes and cuts. Now you sound like a real DJ.
Yes. Does it look fine?
Oh, that is perfect.
Nailed it.
Okay, so the second layer after the Kit Kats basically is a cream cheese layer, as usual. So you're gonna add an entire container of cream cheese. That went easy actually. Okay, I washed my hands, don't worry. Germs. Okay, then you're gonna add half of the cream you just whipped. So, like naturally you can do it separately, but that's just kind of a lot of effort for nothing. Okay, and then 1 cup of icing sugar. So this is 3 cups that are in here, so don't do this like me, people.
She's an expert.
I am not an expert, I'm just lazy.
She did it in high school.
Yeah, I wasn't particularly good in it. The teacher and I didn't like get along always. So
I did woodwork, so I have no idea.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna lightly mix this because if I'm gonna put the electric whisk in here, there's just gonna be sugar everywhere, and that's gonna be gross.
See, that's the first thing I would do.
Well, you don't have to take a class to have logic. No offense.
It's always fun with the power tools.
Okay.
That's a good use of it.
Yeah, I'm not putting my finger in this again. It was nasty. Okay, and the fun part. Okay, so you don't have to over mix this. It just needs to be well mixed. So on to the next part. Okay, so we're just gonna put this in here. This looks really good. We've never made this before, by the way. So if it comes out like a complete disaster, put in more icing sugar or something.
Or send it to me, I'll eat it.
Yeah, we'll still eat it. Like, it's not like it's undercooked chicken or something.
Chocolate and
Yeah.
icing sugar. Can't go wrong. Maybe if you burn it.
Well, we're not putting this in the oven or anything.
Yeah.
So if you burned this, you did it wrong, definitely. Okay, that's like a lot of filling. You wanted to do like a double stack, but there's definitely no room for this. So next step is putting this in the fridge while you're preparing your chocolate pudding.
So now I'm going to add our chocolate pudding. You have to mix it depending on what it tells you. In this case, we're going to add 450 milliliters of milk to it. It will vary on whatever pudding you get. Oh, this is
1 hour later.
Yeah, I used to make these a lot when I was younger.
And there's our first mess for the day.
Yeah, this wouldn't be our cooking if Brian doesn't like mess something everywhere. I just had to clean up cream from him, like, just letting it like go everywhere, but okay. I still love him.
This is my way of sharing, that's all.
Yeah, the ants love it. Okay, I was an idiot. I'm just gonna give him a whisk.
Yeah, thank you.
The spoon is not working in this case.
Oh, this is 100 times better.
Yeah, he's never made chocolate pudding before, so we're hoping for the best.
I made jelly last time and I kind of messed it up.
Yeah, it takes a lot of skill to mess with jelly. You literally add water.
It was too soft and then I put it in the fridge and then it was a little bit too hard.
Yeah, he put it in the freezer, not the fridge. Yeah, just keep on mixing until it actually turns into pudding. Okay, so now it's kind of the part I'm afraid of. We have to throw this liquid concoction over the pudding we already made. So let's get to that. Okay, so I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna try it, but they say if you throw this on a spoon, it doesn't like fall that hard, so it won't destroy everything. Because this needs to sit in the fridge for 10 minutes.
I think this is going to be delicious.
Yeah, definitely. So apparently we need a bigger bowl, but we're working with it as always. So this is gonna go in the fridge for 10 minutes and then we'll be back. Okay, so now it's finally the last layer. We're gonna put the cream on top. Kind of scared of breaking the chocolate pudding, so I'm gonna do this weirdly, bear with.
Yes!
Elegant.
That's also a technique.
So when you're done with this, you're supposed to put it in the fridge and you can eat it just like that. It's not a problem. But if you want it to not run everywhere and be a little bit more solid, you can put it in the freezer for 30 minutes before you serve it, and then it should be a little less runny all over the place. This is difficult to do. I hate working with icing and cream like stuff. I don't have the patience for it.
That's why I didn't volunteer this time.
I just did a Brian. Like, look at that.
It's for the ants.
Pretend it's not there. Yeah, they have to eat too. We're not trying to get rid of them or anything. In fairness, we found out that ants have, like, you get that like sweet things and you get that like salty things, and we have the salty ants, not the sweet ants, so I don't think we'll like this.
Yeah, we found out vegan didn't close my biltong, and yeah, 100 rand of bolting down the drain.
The cats enjoyed it though. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit because there's cream everywhere. I still have a lot of cream left, but it's because this bowl, I think, pretty much reached its capacity. So yeah, on to the final step. You want the honors?
Yeah, this looks like fun. Now to add our KitKat.
Yeah, we just pretty much crushed it.
Grated it.
Yeah, grated, crushed things. Yeah, you can put anything on top really. We didn't find this recipe anywhere. We were actually looking at dessert lasagna recipes and we came across Oreo lasagna. But everyone does Oreo lasagna, so we wanted to be a little bit different. So here you have it, KitKat Lasagna.
Okay, now for the great reveal. Oh, this looks delicious. So much KitKat.
I'm so excited to eat this. Okay, so I'm really hoping I'm gonna cut this directly over one of the pieces, otherwise it's gonna suck. I'm pretty sure this is gonna come out a little bit looking like a mess, but that's okay. As long as it tastes good.
And that's all that counts.
Oh, this is difficult. Oh, this is very difficult. Okay. Plan B. Spatulas. I don't have a spatula big enough for this thing. Yeah, bring the plate quickly. Damn. Okay. So that looks delicious. It's everywhere. Okay. We'll try another scoop. Okay, so this is very creamy. So I think put it in the freezer for an hour, not in half an hour, because everything on top is like pretty solid, but everything in here is still very creamy. I don't know if I took one of the chocolates or not. Ah, here it comes. There we go. Okay. Let's just taste this.
Okay guys, now for the taste test. Way to start.
Yeah, there's so much going on here now. I'm trying to get a little bit of everything. Okay, cheers.
Cheers. I can take it.
Okay, bye. Yeah, this is pretty good. Yeah, so definitely, if you want it more solid, put it in the freezer for longer. Like, you can't freeze stuff like this, it won't go bad.
Yeah, that's what we did now.
And we're just gonna eat everything quickly. Then we're gonna do the outro.
Okay guys, let me just get it out of my beard a little bit. Remember to like, if you want to,
There we go.
thank you.
That's how he usually looks when he eats.
Making a bigger mess. But guys, if you like our content, remember to drop us a like, drop a comment, subscribe if you want to. There's always another 2 videos every week coming out.
And definitely make this. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
And now it's just everywhere else.
It's fine, I'll clean it later.
Yeah. Drop a comment down below. Do you guys know of any other desserts we should try? Because we're definitely up for it.
Bye guys.
Bye.